A top priority for anyone building in a fire-prone area is choosing the best building material for the job. This is critical to ensure a safe building that will last a lifetime. With wildfires becoming more frequent and destructive in many places all over the USA, homeowners and builders need fire-resistant building materials that meet code and, more importantly, offer long-term peace of mind. That's why the Perfect Block, an ICCF block made from recycled materials, stands out as the best solution for fireproof construction. Engineered for fire resistance, the Perfect Block is an insulated composite concrete form, ICCF, manufactured using a combination of 100% recycled EPS mixed with cement and proprietary admixtures. When the EPS is ground up into an aggregate and mixed with cement, the foam aggregate becomes completely encapsulated in cement and becomes completely resistant to ignition, helping prevent fire spread. No fuel for wildfires. Other building methods including wood and other ICFs are combustible or prone to damage from moderate heat and open flame, meaning they are susceptible to the dangers of wildfire. On the other hand, the Perfect Block is non-combustible. It has been third-party tested to withstand direct 2000 degrees Fahrenheit for 4 hours, ASTM E119, Intertech, without igniting, melting, penetration, or releasing toxic smoke. For those living in high wildfire risk zones, this means added protection for both your structure and your family. Proven performance in disaster zones. We know a few things for certain in this world, and one of them is that wildfire is going to continue to cause problems across the world. The Perfect Block has been used in numerous projects in areas prone to such disasters. While wood-framed homes can be destroyed within minutes, non-combustible ICCF walls remain intact, reducing rebuilding costs and protecting lives. Superior thermal protection. In the event of wildfire, time is of the essence. Choosing the right building material can make the difference between saving loved ones and valuables and losing everything. Fires don't just destroy homes and life with flames, they also produce an extreme level of radiant heat. The Perfect Block's insulated concrete wall system dramatically slows heat transfer, keeping interiors cooler for longer. The performance of the block buys critical time for evacuation and emergency response. Long-term durability and low maintenance. Builders who are looking for a building material that is durable and fire-resistant will find the Perfect Block offers unmatched reliability with minimal maintenance. Unlike wood, the Perfect Block does not warp, rot, or degrade even after exposure to fire. The cementitious makeup of the block ensures long-term structural integrity. Eco-friendly. The Perfect Block, made from 100% recycled EPS and cement, is also an eco-friendly construction material. By reducing landfill waste and minimizing the need for lumber, it provides a sustainable solution for green building in wildfire-prone areas. Meets and exceeds fire codes. As fire safety regulations become stricter, the Perfect Block becomes even more attractive for builders. Not only does it meet or exceed wildfire construction standards, but it can help lower insurance premiums on fire-resistant homes. So once again, the Perfect Block reigns supreme when it comes to safety and peace of mind. When it comes to fire-prone regions, there is no substitute for safety. The Perfect Block provides the ultimate combination of fire resistance, energy efficiency, sustainability, and durability. When compared to traditional building materials, it is always clear why the Perfect Block is the best wall system for protection against wildfire. When you choose the Perfect Block, you choose non-combustible construction that protects your family, your property, and your future. Choose wisely. Ready to build better? Head over to our website theperfectblock.com and use our free project calculator to see how easy it is. You can also download our free 214-page build manual to answer any questions you might have. Or, if you prefer, just give us a call at 888-623-4223.